this Environment Day, we are going to act a small skit on respect nature and save the future. We are presenting Grace Academy. Here are different situations that animals, birds and humans trying to save the nature. The skit by friends. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Birds. Oh no, I can't tolerate the hot sun.
Monkey. I hopped all over the forest to find shade for the rest, but I could not. Here. Oh my God! The human being occupied our forest for their shelter. Tiger. Let's go there and stay with them for the scorching sun. Farmer. I hope may seed grow, expecting the rain last month.
Oh, very sad. Many are saying the same and everyone losing their seed this year.
People will be facing tough days the coming year. Rich man. Hey, whatever it is, I'm really enough for me and my family. X-Man. Oh my God, I did not know what to do for work. Farmer. If there is no water, how we can live on the earth?
Oh no, all the animals and birds will enter into the city.
Animal rule, monkey. City is not for animal and bird like us. We live in jungle. Oh God, what we gonna do?
Birds. You people are destroying our earth for your needs.
Tiger. You know, most of the animals and bird are extinct now.
Birds. If people continue this, our planet will come to an end.
Farmer. Yes, you are right. We must stop. We must not allow anybody to spoil our planet.
Environmentalist. Sure, we have to plant trees to give shelters to other animals.
Rich man. We have to promise and take an oath to go green. Axeman. Yes, exactly. Even I stop cutting trees and plant more trees.
Environmental awareness is a global issue, beat the greenhouse effect of global warming. All are caused due to the human activities, ultimately neglecting Mother Nature. As a result, the pollution is affecting our planet. We are responsible for this climate change and drastically affecting our environment. We are depending on resources of Mother Nature for our daily needs. Due to our selfishness, all natural resources are getting depleted. We ourselves is responsible for this. Now it is urgent in 21st century that we become vigilant and responsible citizens for affecting, conserving all the natural resources. Let's celebrate Nature 2024. Our school is observing World Environment Day 2024 today. Let's stand together and protect our nature and future.